I welcome you all. In this video, we are going to see about the simulation of buck converter with closed loop controls. Buck converter. It is a DC to DC powertronic device which steps down voltage from input to output. There are two types of controls, open loop and closed loop. Buck converter circuit diagram is shown here. It consists of a input DC source, a switching device, diode, inductor, capacitor and a resistive load. The buck converter to be modeled, the specification is given here. I am going to consider MOSFET switching device with closed loop controls. Input voltage as 12 volt, output voltage will be 5 volt. Inductor of 12.15 microhenry, capacitor of 3.75 microfarad, resistive load of 1 ohms, switching frequency I will be considering as 400 kilohertz. Let us see how to simulate this in MATLAB. So go to MATLAB window, click this icon Simulink. So here select blank model, model page will open like this. So click this icon Simulink library. So first we have to take the components whichever required, drag and drop it in the model page. So go to Simscape, so in that electrical specialized power systems, fundamental blocks, electrical sources. So DC voltage source, drag and drop it in the model page. Then power electronics, diode, drag and drop it in the model page. Then we need MOSFET. MOSFET is here. Drag and drop it in the model page. Then go to elements, series RLC branch. Drag and drop it in the model page. Then measurement block. So for that, go to measurements, voltage measurement. Drag and drop it in the model page. Then click the fundamental blocks, power GUI. Select, drag and drop it in the model page. Okay. Let us connect the components. So double click MOSFET, unselect this, click OK. Diode, Control R to rotate. So connect here. I am connecting as per the circuit diagram. So unselect this, click OK. So double click this, select L, inductor. Inductor value of 12.15 microhenry. Click OK. Rename it as L. Control, left click, drag to make another copy. rename it as C, double click, branch type select as C, capacitor value of 3.75 microfarad, click OK, Control R to rotate, Control left click, drag and drop to make another copy, rename it as R, double click, branch type select R, 1 ohms, click OK. Circuit is ready. Now let us build the control system. So for that we need 2 measurement blocks. Control left click, drag and drop to make. So to measure input voltage as well as to measure the output voltage. Double click the source, change it to 12 volts, click OK. OK. Now Simulink library, controls and measurements, pulse and signal generators. So in that PWM generator DC, drag and drop it. Then we need a comparator, go to commonly used blocks, there some block will be there, drag and drop it. We need a constant block, so in the commonly used blocks we can get the constant block, drag and drop it. So the output voltage is 5 volts, select, reference minus actual. I am comparing the actual voltage with the reference. So output voltage, yes. So click here, connect the output of the comparator block to the pulse generator and gate pulse to the MOSFET. Okay. Now MUX block, take it, drag and drop it. Yes. So the output voltage and input voltage to the MUX block. We need scope, drag and drop it in the model page, connect it here. Yes. The circuit is ready. So before simulating, go to simulation, model configuration parameters. In this, select ODE 45. Click OK. Click the power GUI block, select as discrete, sample time as 1 microsecond. Click OK. Select the PWM generator, switching frequency 400 kilohertz. Sample time as 1 microsecond. Click OK. Yeah. Now our buck converter is ready. Click this before running the executing the simulation. Let us save the model. Save. Buck converter. Yeah, model is saved. Now click this icon, run. So the model is getting compiled and it is getting executed. Now double click the scope. Yeah. So you can see now the input voltage is 12 volts and the output is 5. So we have performed the simulation of buck converter. Thank you. Now we have seen in this video the simulation of buck converter with closed loop controls. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more videos related to simulation of polytronic converters. Thank you.